if I told you a simple herb could transform your garden and your meals? Your health and well-being too. Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home garden and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Today, we're not just harvesting this culinary gem, but unlocking the secrets to why every garden should be overflowing with it. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by the aromatic embrace of fresh oregano. If you're ready to elevate your gardening game, keep watching and discover why it deserves a prime spot in every backyard garden. Oregano offers a range of potential health benefits. Oregano is an antioxidant powerhouse. It's packed with antioxidants which help combat free radicals and oxidative stress. These antioxidants may help to protect cells from damage and potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oregano contains a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. This can be beneficial for managing pain, inflammation, and potentially related conditions. Antibacterial and antimicrobial effects. Oregano oil has shown antibacterial properties and may help to fight off harmful bacteria and microbes. This could be beneficial for supporting immune health and combating infections. Digestive health. Oregano has traditionally been used to soothe digestive issues and promote healthy digestion. It may help with conditions like indigestion, diarrhea, and upset stomach. Respiratory support. Oregano can be used as a tea or syrup to help clear respiratory secretions and potentially ease coughs and sore throats. It may also help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Other potential benefits. Some studies suggest oregano may help to manage blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and even support brain health. How to incorporate oregano. Oregano can be used fresh or dried in cooking, tea, or as an essential oil. It's a versatile herb that can be added to various dishes, from soups and stews to sauces and marinades. Important considerations. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using oregano oil or taking it in concentrated forms, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Oregano oil can be potent and may cause skin irritation if not used properly. You don't need a large space to garden or grow your own food. Even in small areas like patios, balconies, or window boxes, you can cultivate a variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs using containers or raised beds. Oregano is also an effective natural pest repellent for plants. Its strong scent and aromatic oils deter many pests and insects, making it a valuable addition to gardens and homes. Companion planting. Plant oregano with tomatoes and peppers. Oregano can help to deter pests like aphids and spider mites that can damage tomato and pepper plants. Food preservation methods are crucial alongside growing food. It ensures food security, reduces waste, provides access to nutritious foods year-round. I'm preserving my fresh oregano by air drying it in a brown paper bag, or you can dehydrate it in a food dehydrator. Leave me a comment. Are you growing oregano at home? I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.